car wash with my daddy. Aren't you gonna say something?
Yeah, we are ready. We have a monthly pass for this car wash. So we just came in. It's Sunday morning at 10 o'clock and luckily not too much crowded.
You thought it would be crowded.
We should be, like afternoon it gets really crowded. You can imagine. Now I need to put my Tesla to car wash mode. Let me see where it is. Search car wash.
Can you guys see
mode.
the screen?
Enter car wash mode. Enable free roll. Fold mirrors.
What about screen clean mode? What about screen clean mode? What is screen clean mode? Okay guys, so yeah, we're getting in. Brake and shift to drive to enable it. Do enable free roll. No, brake and shift. Brake and shift to D. Yeah, enable. Okay guys, we're in free roll right now. What? We're not in free roll anymore? I don't get this.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're in the car wash.
Yeah. Hey, we just enabled a free roll mode and then now the
Show them.
Now it's enabled a free roll mode. Yeah, the ceiling and all is getting power wash with water. And
Yeah,
then the car will
water.
do the rest of the things by itself.
And look at those things, they're spinning. So cool. And then they're gonna do a big vacuum and wash and clean, because we're doing a full car wash. The blue color thing is coming. We're gonna get
The
scrubbed.
Scrub.
Oh, first there's a bit of soap.
Yeah, they are spraying
Soap
the
and water.
Soap and then comes the brush, which is going to gently brush and scrub.
The brush is really loud. See, the brush. We're entering the brush. Oh my god, all the soap. Oh my god, we're entering the brush. And then there's one on this side. And then there's one in the front. We're getting neatly scrubbed. And then I think there's an above one for the trunk. This is so fun. Okay, we're getting past the brush. We're in this like big old, like this drying thingy now. And then comes this curtain. We still have the soap. And then at the end comes the fan. Yeah, this scrubs all the soap off. This is the car wash. Basically the middle. So fun. And then now comes the fan.
Now comes the fresh water and the fan.
Yeah, now comes the fresh water, and then at the end the fan will start blowing. The curtains are swiping. Here comes some fresh water. That will go all over the car to get all the soap off.
And then the powerful blower fan to
Which is already starting.
dry the car.
They'll start drying the car, then they'll clean it with the towel. See right now, do you hear the fan? And then there's still water coming to the back of her car. And now the fan. It's blowing some hard air. It's getting almost all the water off. Don't think that side works because only this side's really getting the water off. And yeah, that was the whole car wash. I think there's another car coming, which there is because there's another. Ooh, a green Tesla. That's cool. We finished the car wash. There's still something on there.
Yeah, but now they
Now they're gonna wipe it and vacuum it, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2 where I'll show you wiping it and vacuum it. But for now, this is the end of part 1.